Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to how to verify your Discord account. So let's get started. So if you want to verify your Discord account, then what you can do is just simply open up your Discord application. After opening up your Discord application, now what you can do is just tap on your profile icon, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon, which is on the top right. After tapping on your gear icon, what you have to do is just tap on the second option, which is accounts. And after tapping on accounts, now you'll find these two options, which is email and phone number. So these are only two options that you can verify your account with. You can verify your account with your email address or with your phone number. So I have already verified my account with my email address. So what I'll do is I'll just show you an example with my phone number. So just tap on phone number and then enter the following phone number that you want to verify your account with. After doing that, now what you can do is just tap on next. After tapping on next, just tap on confirm. After tapping on confirm, now you will receive a 6-digit code in your number. So what you can do is just simply enter that and then enter your password. After entering your account's password, what you can do is just tap on done. And after tapping on done, you will successfully add your phone number in your Discord. And now if you receive a code or anything when you log into your account, that will be received in your phone number or in your email address. So this is the way. So if you have linked your account with email address, then you will receive your code in email address. If you have linked your account with your phone number, then you will receive a code in your phone number. But if you have linked your account with both email address and phone number, then you will have an option that you can receive the code in your email address or in your phone number. So it's your choice. So in this way you can verify your Discord account. So that's it guys, this is how to verify your Discord account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below.